Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be doing fine inside your homes. It is pandemic that's mounting pressure on the entire globe. Its infection rate is increasing, death rate is also increasing, life is at stake. No doubt the partially life is going on, but disturbance is seen everywhere. No peace is we watching on the faces of people. So in these days, we need to be extra cautious to defeat it. Dear students, you must restrict your movements outside. You must remain inside your homes. Stick to the books so that you can defeat the COVID 19 infection. It also can benefit yourselves uh, for doing homework or for preparing yourselves for the coming examinations that are approaching fast. Board is well set to take your examinations in the month of October or November. The board that is JK Bose has already issued a notification for class 10th, 11th, and 12th, and we are submitting the examination forms shortly. Dear students, today morning, a student named Khurshid, a very good student, called me to throw once again light on the causes of the globalization. It is in class 12th, political science. Dear students, I have already addressed you, I communicated to you in previous lecture that globalization has no precise definition. It is considered something like flows. It is flow of people, flow of ideas, it is flow of services, flow of capital, flow of goods, etc. It's migration of the people. Is the globalization a new process? No, globalization is not a new process. It is as old as the civilized life itself is. When civilized life began on the planet, societies were formed, the people were exchanging ideas, they were exchanging goods. So the process of globalization is as old as the civilized life itself. But traditional globalization is different from the contemporary globalization. But what is the cause of globalization? First, its foremost cause is that is improvement in the communication technology, or we can say advancement in the technology. When here is the communication explosion, the people are sharing all ideas. The business has become very easy. People are moving freely. World markets are open. So all the countries of the world are depending one another for sustaining ahead, for going smoothly. So this advancement in communication technology, or in communication technology or communication, we may say, is one of the cause of the globalization. Second, that is the multinational companies. The multinational companies means the companies that are operating in the different parts of the world. So these multinational companies operating in different parts of the world has also uh, become the cause of the globalization. But the most important thing is that globally we have to mm, join hands to tackle some issues. For example, taking the fresh example, that is the pandemic COVID-19. The pandemic COVID-19 got born, or we can say its virus got born from the China. Now it's not only the Chinese problem to handle it. It has reached America, it has reached Italy, killing people there. Now it is a global problem. When it's a global problem, people are taking, mm, all the people are interested, are involved, all countries are involved in to tackle the same problem. The process may be called the globalization. Taking in a more example, poverty and terrorism is the world problems. So, in order to eradicate terrorism and poverty, it's now global. These are global issues. The world has come together. Well, the world has come closer to tackle these problems, and the phenomenon is globalization, or it's the cause of the globalization. Taking one more example, that is the mm, flus. That is bird flu, swine flu. These are hitting. It became sometimes pandemic. So the tackling these issues globally. has boosted the process of globalization, or has is the cause of globalization. Dear students, so the globalization has come into existence in order to sustain better, live comfortably, proceed ahead betterly. Dear students, take a simple example. Air is commonly used. Air above India or above the surface of the India, it will reach to the America. If air is polluted in India, it will definitely affect the people in America. So the air pollution problem in India is now problem of America. This is what the globalization process has come in existence. Now, taking in another example, that is the mm, uh, weapon preparation in the world, or we can say the armamentaries. If some countries are developing arms, ammunition, or weapons of mass destruction, these are this is not the problem of a few countries. It is the global problem. It is the global problem. So tackling this global problem, the globalization has come in. Have you many summits are being held to tackle the environmental issues because environment is constantly being polluted. Now the environmental issue, if environment gets polluted in one particular area, that is, for example, Africa, it is now problem of Americans. So the environmental issue has brought world together very close. Now world has turned a global village. So the problem of Indian people is now the problem of American people. If rights of the people in India are violated, or rights of the people in Burma are violated, or Nepal are violated, it is not just cause of the just concern of the Nepal, India, or Burma. It's cause of Americans because we are global citizens. So this is the cause of the globalization in brief. Dear students, it is now 7 minutes video. After watching this video, if any sort of confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and within short duration of time, inshallah, your query or confusion shall be cleared. But before leaving class, I'm advising you there is no substitution for self-studies. Do remain busy with the books. It will definitely help you in defeating the COVID-19 infection, and also you can prepare yourselves for the approaching examinations. Once again, I am congratulating Dr. This Naida Beg, not Dr. Naida Beg, daughter of Ghulam Muhammad Beg or Panjwa. And, her father is a teacher by profession. Her mother is also a teacher. She cracked Indian Administrative Services. Now she is a source of inspiration for us and source of environment. It is proud and pride of our whole district. And she deserves the same birth. And you should work hard to reach there. Be blessed. Thanks.